The cash haul saga surrounding the judge of the Delhi High Court, Justice Yashwant Varma, is getting bigger with each passing day. Lawyers of the Allahabad High Court have announced a strike from today onwards, seeking stricter action against the judge. This comes after the Allahabad High Court Bar Association passed multiple resolutions, urging the Supreme Court to impeach Justice Yashwant and review all of the judgments that he gave during his tenure. The resolution also seeks a CBI and ED probe into the cash that was discovered at the judge's house after a fire broke out. The Bar Association has also written to the centre, urging it to not clear the apex court's decision over Justice Varma's transfer to the Allahabad High Court. Now, while the justice has maintained innocence, the Chief Justice of India has formed a 3-member panel to probe the case against the judge. Over in the Parliament, opposition leaders today have met with the Rajya Sabha chairman, Jagdeep Dhankar, and insisted on having discussions first on the floor of the House via justice over the Justice Varma controversy.
Well, it's a repatriation. He has been sent back to Allahabad High Court because he is from Allahabad High Court. And this has happened while the inquiry is pending. So I don't think there's anything wrong in this. Sending him back to his parent court is a natural course of action which the CGI has taken. And of course, since the inquiry is pending, inquiry will take its own time. And the work has already been withdrawn from him. The roster of the Delhi High Court has changed. He's not sitting in any court. There's no work which has been assigned to him. So in all fairness, or maybe I would say in a process, in a normal process, he has been sent back to Allahabad High Court.
Now, in connection with this entire matter, we have some breaking news coming in at this point. Now, the entire case has only gotten bigger. The Supreme Court appointed 3-member panel is in action. This is the latest update as far as the investigation, the inquiry rather, is concerned. We're learning that the panel has visited the residence of Justice Varma. This is, remember, the residence where the cash haul was found, the burnt cash remains. We're crossing over to my colleague Adib to bring us more details on this. Adib, what we're learning is that the 3-member panel that was formed by the top court, they have visited the residence of the justice. Bring us more details.
Well, definitely, Aisha, see, the Supreme Court has formed the panel, a 3-member panel to probe in this particular matter, and now that panel will be investigating into this case. As far as the Allahabad High Court Bar Association is concerned, they have called for an indefinite strike in this particular case, and now what we are learning is that the Delhi police have reached the residence of the Justice Yashwant Varma to further investigate in this case. But if you talk about the Bar Association, the High Court Bar Association, they said that they will oppose the transfer of Justice Yashwant Varma to the Allahabad High Court. In fact, on the day one, they said that we are not a trash bin, that we are going to transfer any judge over here. And yesterday, when they held their general house meeting, in that they also said that they are against this, and in fact, they have urged Chief Justice of India to allow filing an FIR against Justice Yashwant Varma, so that the investigating agencies such as ED and CBI can investigate into his matter, and if necessary, they can also take his custody. So these are the points that High Court Bar Association has raised with the Chief Justice of India, Aisha.
All right, Adib, thank you so much for joining us and getting us all of those crucial details. We'll continue to track the developments, especially considering that the investigation remains underway, but shifting focus now.